Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to today's GMT update for 21 of April. Now, previously I did talk about how it was important for GMT to actually come down to this yellow line that I drew for you. You see, this yellow line was really important to be retested. Okay, you still never ever sort of like retested this yellow line right here, because this is a huge support. Okay, so even if in the future you do come down, if you start to roll down for GMT, you're actually gonna have to hold this yellow line, otherwise you are gonna be into the big water zone danger. Okay, all right, so normally 1.618 was a technical target that was supposed to be met, because when you cross the golden ratio again, you put a tick here, you normally go to this level. But at this point of time, you can see that we are getting restricted at the 1.414. Okay, what I'm going to do here is I'm actually going to zoom this for you. So do you see that if you do look at it this way, then all you did is you went here and you closed below the 1.414, which is actually not quite interesting, because you're not going all the way to the $4 region. Everyone is expecting the $4, by the way, and I think the market makers know this, the whales may know this, and I don't think they're going to give you away so easily, because everyone loves the rounded number. And let me tell you, the psychological rounded number, there's a huge issue with psychological rounded number. Let's say Bitcoin back in 2017, in the last bull run. Okay, Bitcoin did went to 19K, right? And people were putting their sell bid at 20K. Okay, so this psychological number, they rounded, because your brain, when it hears 19K, it likes to round it off to the nearest number, which is going to be the 20K, right? So people saw $3.8. Okay, $3.8, and now the brain is gonna say $4 actually. So let's say it could, I'm not saying just because it's like this it's not going to go to $4. It could go very well, it could go to $4, who knows. But the thing is that it's just something that I wanted to point out for the sake of this channel, because it's an educational channel. Okay, not a financial investing advice channel. Don't buy because I make this video saying that, oh, we're gonna go here, so it's by noise chart reading. I don't tell people to buy or sell anything. So yep, here we are. And to me, if you start to actually, and you are losing a little bit of a support right now, so let me show you. Yeah, so you do have this level of support that you're losing. You broke out of it, then potentially you might even be willing to go to the downside from there to there. Then you're putting yourself in a small retracement down to $2.9 potentially. You might be looking to actually come down to 2.9. But if it actually ever comes down to this yellow line, if it ever does the yellow line stuff and comes down here to backtest this, because you can see you do have few touches here, one touch right here, one touch right over here, one touch nearly right over there, and a touch right over here. You never had a meaningful retracement down here to this line to hold it. I would love to take an entry here. I would still like to take an entry at the 2.7. If it does that, that would be amazing. Now let's take this retracement to the downside, and let's see the meaningful retracement. Yep, so if it ever comes down, if this is your impulsive move to the upside, then based on the fib retracement, you are looking to actually hold the 0.5, which could be a good entry as well. But to me, the best entry will be the 0.618, which also is nearly this yellow line. Do you see that? So if it ever comes down to the 0.618, which is actually very close to that yellow line, boom, amazing entry with a stop loss, of course. So from here, if it actually starts to go to the upside, now let's say 2.77 is your actual retracement bottom, because I don't think it's bearish just because it's going down. I think it's just going up, retracing, then go up, right? Because we're going away from. Now, if it does come down here, what could be the next target? You go down there to there. I would be looking for 3.3, but if you start to take out the all-time high as well here, then it will take you all the way to the 1.618 to the $4.7. Okay, And yep, who knows, it could be amazing. But something tells me GMT can go to $7, and I'm gonna tell you why. I don't know if you noticed this, but if you look at the daily, are you not just putting in a bull flag? Like, wasn't this a bull flag? Nice looking bull flag that you broke out of, and you're actually trying to take, the next technical target, which is going to be this top to the bottom, and this is where you're breaking out of the bull flag all the way, potentially 8.3, not even $7. To the $8.3 could actually take you there. So let's see what happens, guys. I don't know. I do have some vibes that this was your bull flag that I didn't even mention about. So that's it for today's update. If you want to learn more about fib settings and bull flags and whatnot, do check out my 17-18 hours of contents for trading, right? And if you want to pay 29 bucks instead of 49, do join the Discord and message me in the Discord, and I'm going to tell you how to do so. That's it for today's update. I'm going to see you the next one. Allah Hafiz.